Yeah. Whoa. Think I'm claiming this, yeah. Think I'm taking this, yeah. I'm going in with no fear. Bump that shit like me. You will never find another me. Not even if you scrubs had a key. You see this bling right here? Let's make shit crystal clear. I am the boss, my dear. You stay in your line or I swear to the left. Pull over, take over, yeah, I'm the rest. Taking the lead like a bitch never left. The bitches is weak, I'm the best. Let me.
Hey, what's up, Rebel Gang? It's Bonitarebel. I'm back today here with another review. And this review is from SamsBeauty. It's sponsored by SamsBeauty.com. And you guys, I got some secrets, some shit that, you know, I found out, and I'm going to spill the tea. But first off, if you haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes. Make sure you guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my new channel, Life as Bonitarebel. It's like challenges, reaction videos, get ready with me. There's gonna be, like, if you want to see my makeup looks, it's gonna be on there. A personal Bonitarebel, and this is more hair Bonitarebel. Now to the fun part. So you guys, I got a wig from SamsBeauty. So I seen this wig. Oh, let me just tell y'all, baby, this is a synthetic wig, okay? And it is like 40 inches. I'm gonna show y'all all of that. Don't worry. I'm gonna show you guys how I customized this wig. So I customized it on, you know, on it with you. So this is the beautiful Swiss lace silk top lace wig, the most natural Rapunzel. Bitch, let me tell you, this bitch is Rapunzel, okay? This bitch is really Rapunzel, like, yes. This chick really is. And it has a 4x4 parting, so you guys can part it however you want to, like to the side, middle part, anything like that, of course. And it has like a lace thing. You'll see it's like a lace closure. It's like has it patched, so you don't have to really do nothing to it. So it may be off the middle part a little bit because it was hard to do it on the mannequin. But you guys, this synthetic, there has to be a technique to make it really flat. I know there has to be a technique. So I've been searching, and you know, a lot of people think about the hot combs and stuff like that to do the hot combs, and I was just like, there has to be another technique. There's no way that you're telling me to put a hot comb on a synthetic wig. There's just no way that you could be telling me that. Like, you're telling me you want me to burn my head, sis, like, and burn my lace? Like, no. I was on, it was like last week, I was just chilling in my room because I had a back spasm. Y'all know what I be going through behind these closed doors. And I was looking at trending stuff, and it was this guy flattening a freaking synthetic wig with a freaking steamer. And I was like, bro, he's tripping. Like, a steamer is like water, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's water, it's all this stuff. So you cannot be telling me that you really can put a steamer, and I know it's gonna burn it. Bro, I was watching him do it. It got so flat, and I was like, okay, let me just try it, and let me try on this Rapunzel hair, because this hair is some long 28 inches. But before I get into it, I use a steamer to make it this flat, you guys, so it can be this flat. It wasn't like this. And it is true that you can put a steamer. And next I'm gonna try human hair to see if a steamer will work on that. So let's get into the length, you guys. It is like, let me just move this chair. Like, bro. It is long, like my boss. I'm kidding. Okay, but I'm going to show you guys. I'm talking, so I won't annoy you guys, and go ahead and look at the video to see how I did it. And I love you guys. It's Bonitarebel. Mwah. Bye.
All right, so this wig is the Stylist Swiss Lace Silk Top Lace Wig, and it is a 4x4, and it's so beautiful, you guys. I think it's like a 28 inches to 30 inches, and you can put it to any side, a side part, anything like that. As you guys already see, it has a lace closure, and it has 3 combs, And I used the combs this time actually, and the padding was really soft, you guys, and it didn't bulk up. And as you guys can see, the hair texture is so beautiful, and it's a number 2. And the texture is like a yaki, and it's very flowy and nice, and it has like some layers in it. But as you guys can see, it is like really pretty. It's not too thin in the front, but then it's not too thick. I don't know, it's just like a pretty lace front synthetic wig. Like if you're going out, you guys, this is a perfect wig for you because you can customize it. So I just want to show you guys the ends too, how flowy it is. But we're going to silk that all up, make it straight and silky and all of that. But the texture is like a nice yaki texture, you guys. And the ends, as you guys see, it's not matting up. It's not too silky, because you know the silky hair, when it's like 40 inches or 30 inches, it can mat up. So as you guys can see, it's not that flat, but it did come flat. The hair did come flat, but it's not that flat. We're going to make this hair flat as hell. Like we're going to make this hair lay right on your head if you go into like a little, like going to a play, going out with your girls. You just need a cute synthetic wig that's affordable. You don't got money to get you a 40-inch hair, you know. And as you guys can see, the hair did start matting when I did try to do the part, but you will see that the hair barely gets tangled. And throughout the day I wore the hair did not really tangle at all. Like I was very shocked with this hair. Like I don't know, this is probably one of the best synthetic wigs I've had. You know, the straightness and the yaki texture. So now I'm going to use a flat iron and try to flatten it and see how it goes. And you guys see that I have it on the temperature 350. And so I'm going to straighten it, and it did get flat, but not as flat that, as you guys are going to see, the steamer makes it so flat and nice and beautiful. And I don't know what it did, it just made the texture look different too. And I don't know, something about steaming the hair takes the shine away, it doesn't even look like a fake synthetic wig. So this is how flat I got it with the straightener. And y'all about to see me do some different things. So I put the steamer on a low heat. I got that from Target like a year ago. I got this from Target. And as you guys see, look at how it's already immediately getting flat on that side. It's immediately flat. And the steamer, like you can see, that's taking the shine away and out of the wig. So you guys, the steamer, I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna show you guys how it transforms and how flat I'm about to get it, and you guys are gonna be shocked.
Yeah. I'm about to ball it out. I'm about to call it out of work. Stay on my way. Do it big. Yeah. I came up, never changed up my strategy. Time's up for double dutch. You can't pass me. Oh, I am so cold. These haters hella ball. They keep talking that mess because they know I'm worth gold. Your time is up. Never give a fuck. Your time is up. You can't tell me nothing, cause you ain't worth nothing. Get out my way, get out my way, get out my way, get out my way. Get out my way, get out my way, get out my way, get out my I got too much pride, I'll make you cry, I'll make you hate me, I'm too real for you. Money on my mind, money on my mind, money is time. Please don't waste my time. Yeah, I'm a real one. Yeah, you ain't a real one. Yeah, I go to work. Put in the work. Yeah, don't need a rub on this verse. Yeah, make a hit, you can't catch me. Yeah. Your time is up. You can't tell me nothing.
Cause you ain't worth nothing.
Get out my way, get out my way, get out my way, get out my way, yeah, 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 yeah. Get out my way, get out my way, get out my way, get out my way.
Yeah, so now I'm just about to use some spritz to make it extra flat, and then use the steamer again. As you guys can see that this hair is beautiful, this wig, and the steaming method does really work, and I use low heat, and I'm really happy with how it came out, you guys. It looked like some great $500 hair. But make sure you guys like and subscribe and tell me down below on the comments. #Rebel Gang if you stayed through the whole video. Love y'all.